Now our next topic is soil formation. This is a very important part of natural resources, right? That is the soil. Soil is plays a very important role, right, on the earth crust. So that what we are going to discuss. Here what we are going to discuss, the formation of soil. Formation of soil. Soil means what? Okay, earth, on earth crust there is a thin layer, upper layer, सबसे ऊपर की layer, that is known as a thin layer. That is what? Soil. That is available on the thin layer of the earth crust. That is what soil means. Means how the formation of soil happens. Means soil बनती कैसे है. That what we have to, we are going to read here. Generally, the part of surface of the earth wherein the vegetation grows is known as soil. Means के a surface of the earth, the upper layer of the earth where any vegetation grows, that grows because of the soil only. The soil is a thin layer composed of various elements on the surface of the earth. And thin layer of the soil is made up of what? Different types of minerals composition that is available on the earth. Minerals, first it is humidity. Humidity means bhed, means thoda गीलापन. Then humus and air are mixed up in it. Humus means different types of microorganisms died, then birds, animals, other remnants died, and they will mixed in it the earth. So that also create a humus, and air are mixed up in it. The parental rocks lie below the soil. जैसे हमने पहले 8th standard में पढ़ा होगा कि there are the the very rocks are there, then the parental rocks are there, then the soil is there. So there are the different layers are there, right? So the parental rocks lies below the soil. Soil is formed due to the material available through the denudation. Denudation means what? When water, soil, पानी के कारण सॉइल एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाती है, हवा के कारण बहुत सारी चीजें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाती है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपन, दे स्टे ओवर देयर. सो दैट इज व्हाट द denudation means. Biotic remnants. Biotic remnants means microorganism, birds, animals, right? They microorganism, they remain on the layer and they died and they will mixed up with it, and air get mixed up with it. In other words, soil is a natural mixture. Means this is a definition. Soil is a natural mixture of minerals and biotic elements which have been the capacity to grow and develop vegetation. So from this the soil is the only way. Soil plays a very important role, or it's a the core possibility. Because of that, vegetation grow. Whatever the plants, trees, vegetation you will see, that is the part of soil only, right? So the soil plays a very important role. Now on page number 61, the same next topic is soil. Soil means what? Soil, here what we understood is soil formation. Formation of soil कैसे होता है? Now we will listen or learn what is soil. Soil क्या होता है? The uppermost layer of the crust of the earth is called soil, which contains mineral and biotic element necessary for the growth and development of vegetation. Although their proportion is not the same everywhere, means the same type of soil is available, not available everywhere. Like for example, we will go to the Rajasthan. तो राजस्थान में soil में humus नहीं होता है, right? Humus नहीं होता है, humidity नहीं होता है. When you will go to the West Bengal, it has humus. It has the humidity is also there. It is humus also is also there. So this is all has a difference. Means everywhere the soil is not same. You will find a different type of soil in a different type of region. Although their proportion is not the same everywhere, thus soil is the layer of or the surface of the matter formed due to the mixture of the scattered material of the parental rocks and vegetation. This is very important. Means soil is not only made up of minerals and vegetation only. There is the mixture of parental rocks also. Parental rocks means what? Like for example, you will find red soil Why it is found, you found red soil? Because red mountains are there. Where plateaus are there, Maharashtra you will find a color of the mountain and parental rocks are black. So their soil is of black color, right? So everywhere the parental rocks also plays a very important role. Where their color is there, or that type of rocks are available, that type of soil you will find over there. The humus formed due to the disintegration or decay of vegetation or insects is added to this. That what we have discussed. This biotic element plays an important role in the development of vegetation. Right? Now the next paragraph is the climatic impact in the duration of soil. Formation is so important and widespread that the soil formed of different types of rocks in the region over a long time is the same. That what we had discussed. Wherever what type of rocks are available, you will find that type of soil only over there. So the soil formed out of the same parental rocks under different climatic influence is different. Like the different climatic influence means what? Like for example, this is a rock, right? So when sun rays, so because of the sun rays, what happened? This rocks expand, यानी ये बढ़ता है, expansion होता है. But when night comes, what happened? The rocks will be cooled down. So because of that, what happened? Because of the expansion and because of the in night it becomes cold. So what happens? Many cracks happens in that. So lots of cracks happens. Then water comes. Right? Sometimes ice will be accumulated between the cracks, water accumulated between the cracks, and after weathering, because of the different types of weather, what happened? This small cracks will converted into small pebbles and rocks, right? And after millions and hundreds and thousands of years, this slowly converted into the soil. Means they also mixed with the soil. So the soil formed out the same parental rocks under different climatic influence is different. Soils are classified on the basis of their color, climate, parental rocks, structure, humus. Means these are the very important. उसके हिसाब से soils are classified. Means they are fertile, non-fertile, less fertile, right? So that will be on what basis? First is color. What is the color of the soil? Second is climatic condition. Means जहाँ पे ये soil available है, their climatic condition is what? Parental rocks. Parental rocks means के this rocks from which soil is made up of. Then structure and humus. Humus means whatever the different types of vegetation mixed into it. So this all things plays a very important role.